Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard kheer. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 liter of full cream milk, 1/4 cup of rice, soaked for at least 30 minutes, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Also, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder ready, dissolved in a little cold milk to prevent lumps. Don't forget some sliced nuts and a pinch of cardamom powder for flavor. Now, let's create the creamy base for our kheer. Begin by boiling 1 liter of full cream milk in a heavy-bottomed pan. Once it reaches a boil, add the pre-soaked rice. Reduce the heat and let it simmer gently, stirring frequently. Continue cooking until the rice is about 70% done and has softened, which usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we'll add the sweetness and the signature custard flavor. Stir in 1/2 cup of sugar, cooking for 5 to 7 minutes until it fully dissolves. Then, slowly pour in the dissolved custard powder, stirring continuously to ensure a smooth texture without any lumps. Keep cooking on a low flame, stirring often, until the kheer thickens beautifully to your preferred consistency. Finally, let's finish and prepare our delicious custard kheer for serving. Once the kheer has reached its desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for an aromatic touch. Garnish generously with sliced almonds, pistachios, or any other dry fruits you enjoy. Allow it to cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving chilled. Enjoy this delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.